Okay, so today, guys, I am teaching you equalities, which is the part 2 that I make in the last video, and this time we're doing it with fraction, and it is very simple and basic. You see this? Transpose. First you're gonna do is transpose means changing the place of the number on math. So yeah. So when we solve this, we're gonna change it. Okay, we're gonna change the place. Note when you transpose it and change the sign. When transposing, guys, actually, you must always change the sign. Okay, so yeah. So first you're gonna do is transpose the 1/2, which you will always need to change the sign so it will be negative. So let me just move something. No, I don't need that. What we're gonna do is to make it as negative 1/2. Oh wait, I've wrong it. Sorry, that's 1/2. Okay, just understandable. And then you're gonna do is to find the denominator, which yeah. So let me just fix it, guys. Okay, so I am back, guys. So what you're gonna do is to put the negative sign here and change the sign and put the 1/2. So this is nothing anymore. Ignore that. This is nothing because we just transpose it here. So it's negative now. So and then the next you're gonna do is x equals. Actually, I forgot to tell you that negative x cannot be negative. Okay, I just write it wrong. Sorry. Don't worry. So you can do this x equals, and then you gotta do is so the denominator is actually 4. So yeah, 4 divided by 4 is 1. So it's 1. Wait, what? 1. It's minus 4 divided by 2 is actually 2. So the answer is x equals what was it? 1/4. 1/4, wasn't it? Okay. So that will be the answer, guys. So and then there's also in equalities, it's multiply. You do the same thing, which is what if it gives you an equation like this? It's the same like we did the last time video. Yeah, it's the same as like you just put and it'll be negative 1/2. Then you do is to cancel these two numbers, and you'll and it'll give you the actual answer, which is 1. Okay, it's the same as the division as well. Let me just okay, the division is like 1/2 and x equals what's that? Was 1/2? Yeah. Then you do is you put 1/2, same as we did. I told you guys it's the same as we did at the last video. Cause I ain't using my pen because I'm so lazy. So it is to cancel that one. Cancel this. Then you get the answer as x equals 1. So that was all of it, guys, and make sure you understand everything. And if you don't understand that why what is a equation, or yeah, I'll give the description below the previous video that I make yesterday. Actually it was hilarious that I say next week. It wasn't real next week, guys. Sorry. Okay, so that was it, guys. Subscribe and comment down below if there's something mistake that I've made. Because, guys, okay, we're good to go. Goodbye. See you next in the next video as well.